be meeting up with a good friend of mine. He has one of the cleanest GCs out there. We're gonna be filming his car. His car is fully built on the 85. It'll have it like that.
So that's recording.
Yeah, that's already recording. It'll tell you the seconds right there.
Oh, okay, so that's actually.
Kenji, 2001 Impreza, Castro Valley, California, in the Bay Area, East Bay. I mean, everyone cares about the way their car looks. Like, most people care about the way their car looks. It can't just be.
All right, so we're gonna go on a nice little test drive in the GC. We're gonna be comparing this car to my car, Clint's car, and Alex's car.
Everyone's car. So
Everyone's
far.
car.
Everyone's car so far. Yeah.
So we have the 6-speed in here. We have the Blouch Dom 1.50, right?
Yep, 1.5.
1.5. Right now with ethanol content, it's honestly pretty much the same as mine.
Yeah.
He's 77%, which is really high, considering it's kind of a spring-winter blend.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna do a nice pull.
And luckily we all have 6 speeds too.
Yeah.
Except for Alex. So that's why Alex's might have felt a little bit different, because his gears
The
are
gears,
taller.
yeah.
Ours run them through them so fast, it's almost a fake fast.
Because they're just boom, shit.
Oh my god, your car's so fast. Like, no, it's just my ratio is really short.
The gear ratios are very short in these cars. The 6 speeds for sure.
But ours are all the same, so you'll be able to fill yours compared to mine. It should be, I mean, I think the car's a hair lighter, right? Clint's car, I don't know what his weighs, but he stripped a lot of stuff out of it, right?
And then he added the roll cage.
So
the
that's
bar.
only a little bit of weight though.
Yeah.
Everything else is stripped out, probably compensated. It's probably all the same weight you're not getting, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, ready?
Go. Let's hit it. Hit it. Yeah, I think this car is definitely faster than my car, dude. The turbo just hits you.
More of a hit.
How many pounds? 22? Huh.
Same, huh?
I don't know. I feel like yours is faster, dude. Yeah, yours is faster.
Here, though.
It's quieter. Damn, that turbo's loud.
You hear it though when it opens up though. That's the cool thing. You can hear the exhaust differently. Right?
Yeah.
It has a different tone to it.
I think if I were to put them side by side, I say Clint is. I think he's a little faster. I think he is faster, bro.
Engine.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, I think so.
And I think he has a bigger turbo.
Because the thing with this, I think with out of all the cars, dude, this is the car that has the shortest gearing for some reason.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know why. Is it the turbo? You think maybe because it's the way it's set up?
Maybe.
Maybe the way the car is tuned. Because not even my car is this short, dude. Yeah, so how high you rev it to?
7.
Damn, bro. Oh my god. All right, go ahead. Damn. So I'm doing a nice little update, and I'm actually going to be changing some parts on my car. I actually just sold the Grimsby top mount intercooler, and I'm also going to sell the SPT intake. I'm not going to tell you which parts I'm going to be replacing it with, so I'm going to try to maintain that consistency of having JDM parts. So this is the SPT intake. It works great. Also with the Grimsby top mount intercooler. Both are great products, but for my setup, I'm going to want something a little bit more different, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be removing the top mount intercooler and also the intake. All right, so to remove the intercooler, I'm going to have to remove the strut bar because the bar is right on top of the intercooler. I'm going to loosen up the 6 bolts in total, holding the strut bar in place. And from there, I'm going to start loosening up the clamps. And then also I have to remove the bypass valve and then the 2 bolts holding it down and just wiggle it out. And it's super easy to remove and it's super easy to install. So after that, I'll show you guys the progress. I'm gonna compare this Tama intercooler versus the other intercooler that I'm gonna be getting. And I'm not gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna be getting, obviously, until I make that reveal video. But the Grimspeed intercooler, this thing is massive, as you can probably already tell. So it weighs in at 17 pounds. This is with the Y pipe included, obviously without the couplers and the clamps. So they should add around maybe 20 pounds or so. So I'm super excited to show you guys what I got. But I'm gonna go ahead and pack this up because somebody already bought it. So I think this is going out to Texas. So I'm gonna pack it up and then drop it off at the post office.